Hey there, food lovers! Today we're diving into the delicious world of fermentation. You might think of fermentation as something that makes your yogurt tangy or your bread fluffy. You're absolutely right. But fermentation is more than just a process. It's a culinary magic trick. It's a tradition older than the pyramids and way tastier. Get ready to explore the amazing flavors and textures that fermentation brings to our food. Fermentation, it's not just a fancy word chefs throw around. It's a process that uses microorganisms like bacteria and yeast to break down sugars. These tiny helpers are everywhere. They're working hard in our food, our environment, and even our own bodies. So how does fermentation transform simple ingredients into gourmet delights? Imagine a microscopic kitchen where bacteria and yeast are the master chefs. Sugar molecules are the key ingredients. Our microbial chefs, the bacteria and yeast, get to work transforming these sugars. As they break down the sugars, they create gases and acids that add complexity to the flavors. These transformations result in the unique flavors, aromas, and textures of gourmet fermented foods. One of the key players in this culinary magic is lactic acid. Lactic acid not only enhances flavor but also boosts our gut health. It creates an environment where beneficial bacteria can thrive. These beneficial bacteria are essential for digestion and overall well-being, making fermented foods a true culinary delight. Lactic acid fermentation is just one type of fermentation. Another type is alcoholic fermentation. This type of fermentation produces rich, flavorful alcoholic beverages. Yeast is the star of the show in alcoholic fermentation. Think of the bubbly magic in your favorite bread or the refreshing fizz in a kombucha. It's all thanks to our tiny yeast friends. But wait, there's more. Fermentation isn't just limited to yogurt, bread, and kombucha. People around the world have been using fermentation for centuries to create a diverse range of delicious and nutritious foods with unique textures and flavors. Let's embark on a global journey of fermented foods. In Korea, we savor kimchi, a spicy and tangy fermented cabbage. In Japan, there's miso, a rich paste made from fermented soybeans. And in Germany, sauerkraut, fermented cabbage, is a staple. These are just a few examples of the incredible variety of fermented foods. Fermentation isn't just for experts. You can easily enjoy fermented foods in your daily meals. Try adding sauerkraut to your sandwiches, having a cup of yogurt for breakfast, or sipping on kombucha as a refreshing drink. Your taste buds and your gut will thank you. So go ahead, explore the world of fermentation and discover the amazing benefits of these living foods. Stay curious, food enthusiasts.